Hi, my name is Andrew, and I'm here to present my summer RCOS project. It's called Jinta. So what is it? Jinta is an online engineering analysis and design tool. It's trying to combine the engineering analysis part of civil engineering and design so they come together. It's currently focused only on 2D structural analysis and design. I plan on going into some mechanical designs later on, but right now I'm just focused on structural. The user interfaces are HTML and JavaScript, so it is hopefully compatible with all devices and browsers. Calculation is going to be powered by Python. What I'm aiming at is to provide some feedback. When you give me a drawing, I want to provide the moment diagrams, the shear diagrams, the deflection of the structure, and etc. The reason that I chose Python is because it's just very useful. Why do I want to do this project? I want to do this project because I want to integrate the design and the analysis of civil engineering. I guess the real world, it's kind of hard to find a software package that does both at the same time. And I want this to be platform independent, so I want this to work on all your devices and browsers. Currently, it even works in IE, but there's some panels that do not show up properly. And of course, open source. I want this to be available to everyone. The present progress that I've made, I've set up my server, which took a while for me to configure Django to work with Apache. The user interface is almost done, and this right here is the user interface. You can draw members, joints, forces, supports, and it can do simple calculations for simply supported beams or determinant beams. And I'm going to show you that one for you.
Does it work for cantilever? Does it work for cantilevers that is fixed at one end and then?
Yes. It can do. Yes, it can do that. So I have a feature that allows you to here I have a feature that you have snapping. If snapping's off and you do a beam, you could be clicking anywhere. But if you have snapping on, it's locked to certain points. And there's a coordinates down here that will show you where you're going. And if you want to add joints, also select these so you can delete these if you want to, and update properties of these members here. And currently it does not support saving yet, but I'm almost done with it, and let's say it shows you data that's going to be sent to the servers that will be used in calculations.
Can we see a simple calculation for a fixed at one end, and there's a
only the simple calculations right now, and I guess it's not hooked up to the server, so I'm just going to show you this running here. I'm just going to calculate. This is going to be a simply supported beam with like support out the left side and the pin support out the right side, and then the Y force. And this is the equation that uses to calculate, and this is the answer here. Yeah, it works. I'm not sure why it's hanging up here.
Maybe you should try 1, 2, 3, or you should not count. So you just can, you give the equations for the stress in the moment for each of the beams, is it?
Yes.
You explicitly give, not, it doesn't do any simulation.
No, sorry. For future plans, I would like to have more analysis other than just basic determinate beams. Use flexible method of analysis, stiffness, slope deflection method, and matrix structure analysis. Also refine the user interface. Right now, you cannot delete the forces. I hope to do that with the clear. And share the drawings. You can save the drawings and share with the other people. That's it. Thank you. That's all.
Two things. One, this is awesome. I wish you could have had it done in time for me to take strengths right now. This has been so helpful. Two, have you ever played with West Point Bridge Designer? It's a free program that does a lot of the same things. It's meant to analyze bridges and trusses to teach like high schoolers.
Yeah.
But it has a lot of things that like UI things that I think you might have a good time checking out. Ways to change beam thickness and stuff like that.
Yeah, I'll check that out. Nice.
I really like the project actually. We was talking about using a collaborating with you on that on going my own way. But a feature that would be really nice to see is if you could bring up a dialogue so you can set the length instead of having to count out boxes, or to have a little window pop up that tells you how long or in what angle your lines are as you're drawing.
Yeah, true. I was planning on that, but it's going to take a lot of work to do that.
Another thing could be the display that the output in the display.
What?
The stress, etc. I'm right now seeing it in the console, right?
Yeah.
You want to display to the user.
Yes, it will be.
The other is maybe little too say for example, you want to see the forces acting on the impact structure or something. So that is
yeah, I plan on doing deflections and then we plot the deflections in the graph.
It looked like that forces can only be horizontal or vertical with respect to your viewport. Is that going to change?
Yeah, I hope to change that when we just add the angles. There's vertical, horizontal, moment, and distributed forces.
And I think a real basic constraint system could be very useful. So you could say, like, I want a force perpendicular to this point, or parallel to. And I think there's a piece of software that was released a few days ago. I'm not sure. I got an email about it, but I didn't actually really read it other than that it looked interesting. Autodesk, I believe, is making or has made a piece of software that's very similar to this and can work on mobile devices.
Yeah, AutoCAD, I was looking at that before. AutoCAD did do something like that, and it's only allowing you to view and make very simple edits, like make comments to your drawings.
It's not their mobile app, I know that exists too. But I think it's literally a solver for trusses that is designed for running on tablets and phones.
Okay.
I haven't tried it personally, so I can't say anything more than it looks like it might be related to your project.
Yeah.
I was just wondering, do you know like a site that you could like share these kinds of designs with people? It seems like that would
Yeah, that's what I was trying to get at for sharing your drawings. After you save your drawings, I hope if you want to share your drawings and publish to the public, you could share with everyone who's interested in your designs.